Hello students, welcome to Sociology of the Family. I'm going to keep this video short. I just want to go over a few things on the syllabus that I think are important for you to know as you enter into this class. So most of the information is really self-explanatory. I will say, please email me directly at my Rowan email address instead of sending me a message on Canvas. I don't get automatic notifications for my messages on Canvas, so I'll be able to see your email and respond to it a lot more quickly if you email me directly. This is a sociology course on the family, so we're going to be looking at so many different topics, so many interesting topics, so please take a look at the schedule so that you can familiarize yourself with some of the things that we're going to be learning about in this very interesting class. We'll learn about, for example, dating, sexuality, gender, love, just really a lot of interesting topics. You're going to see that for each week you'll have a list of the topics, you'll have the reading that you'll want to do for that week, and you'll also have the number of the lecture that you can watch and listen to. There are some videos which are supplemental materials really, and then you will see the discussion question title in your schedule, and as well as the quiz. Alright, moving along, I'm going to go down to the most important thing, of course, the assignments. So you have 12 quizzes, 10 points each, altogether 20% of your grade. Same thing with the discussion forum, except they are 20 points each, and 35% of your grade. We have a midterm and a final that are worth 10% each, and then your final project, which is worth 25%. So your final project is a final paper. It's going to be a 7 to 10 page research paper on any topic that you choose as long as it relates to the family, and you are looking at this topic through a sociological lens, which hopefully by week 2 you'll kind of get a better understanding of what this means. During week 2, you're going to want to submit a thesis statement proposal to me. You'll see it in your module, in your week 2 module. You'll see the directions for it. You'll see the link to the to where to submit it. You're going to write me a proposal, a thesis statement. So, thesis statement is an I believe statement. I believe blank. I believe divorce impacts children negatively in several ways, or positively. Whatever you want to say, really, as long as you you find it interesting. It has to do with the family. Again, it's looking at the topic through a sociological lens, and as long as you have some good research on it, you can find some decent research on it. You're going to submit that proposal to me, and then I will give you some feedback on that thesis statement so that you can go ahead and get started at any point on the final paper. There will also be a final project guidelines or criteria rather document in week 2 that's going to explain the final project in detail. Your quizzes are going to consist of 10 multiple choice questions, really, based on the text, not so much the supplemental materials. Your exams are going to be in the exact same format, only there are 25 questions. Neither of the quizzes or exams are timed, but you'll want to take it in one setting. Discussion questions, you'll have a question to answer every week. The most important thing is to use the RISE model. The RISE model is just somebody created this model for meaningful feedback. It's just a model that a lot of classes use, a lot of professors use in their classes. So I'll explain that in a bit. But you'll have a question every week. You'll answer my question, and you'll include at least 2 in-text citations from the course textbook. So I want you to pull from the text when you're answering my questions. The citations don't have to be super fancy. You can just give me, quote in parentheses, and maybe the last name of the author and the page, and you don't need a references list. So the RISE model is used for when you respond to another classmate's post, because you're going to reply to at least 2 of your classmates' posts each week. So you can click on that to look at what I want you to include in the feedback, but basically I'm not looking for you to just say that you agree or disagree. I'm looking for you to delve a little bit deeper, so please check that out. that's really, I believe I hit everything. That's really it for the main um, assignments, major assignments for this class. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. And if you would like to set up a Zoom conference at any point throughout the semester, please email me and we can set up a time. Thanks so much, everyone. Looking forward to interacting with you virtually this semester.